Chancellor of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM Mahbubul Huq and Padma Shri Trinity Sayu were conferred with the Governor's Award for Excellence in Public Service at the Raj Bhavan here on Friday. Sayu received the award for developing rural women-owned sustainable organic farming to grow the Lakadong variety of turmeric, while Huq was awarded for his pioneering and outstanding contribution in the field of higher and technical education. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Satya Malik called them individuals of change and said both Huq and Sayu worked hard for the uplift of people around them. Malik further said both have made a selfless contribution to society.
Shri Mahbubul, pioneer of higher and technical education, founder, Chancellor of University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, and Srimati Trinity Sayu, Padma Shri Awardee and a celebrated champion of Lakadong turmeric revolution. As I take this privilege to felicitate them to their exemplary contribution to the field of higher and technical education and rural economic empowerment of some women folk and mass mobilization of SHGs respectively, I would also take the opportunity to recount their admirable achievement and accomplishments.